There's a bright red tractor on Spring Hill Farm who's always hard at work or play.
If Farmer V's got a problem or a job to be done,
It's Tractor Tom that saves the day. Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you.
It was a busy day at Spring Hill Farm. Fee and Tom had dug a new ditch.
No, Buzz, this is too hard for you.
They pulled a tree stump out of the ground.
Careful, Buzz. You're in the way.
And they'd stopped Mo eating the haystack.
Buzz, go home.
And Tom took Matt his shopping too.
did I leave this at the farm? Oh, what would we do without you?
So Tom was very tired when he got back to the barn that night. Wheezy told Buzz that Tom worked too hard. But Buzz was cross because he hadn't been allowed to work at all. Tom got all the best jobs on the farm. And Buzz didn't like it, so he came up with a very naughty plan. He needed some help from the hens. Next day, Farmer Fee was up bright and early. And she didn't notice that Buzz was giving the hens an extra big breakfast.
Come on, Tom. It's going to be another busy day. What's wrong, Tom? You can't start. You've never broken down before. What am I going to do? Maybe Matt can help.
Hello? Hi, Fee. I'll be straight over.
Fee had a lot of work to do, but how could she manage without Tom?
I suppose I'll have to use Buzz instead. Do you think you could do Tom's jobs for today? To start off with, we have to move the sheep, so you'll need the trailer. Come on, Buzz. Oh dear, we'll have to move the sheep one by one.
So Buzz moved the sheep one at a time. Oh dear.
This could take some time.
Not feeling too well? Oh, we'll have you fixed in no time. Well, almost no time. I know. I'll get Rev to help.
This isn't going very well, is it? They're still all here. Maybe we should try moving the hay bales. I'm sure you can do that.
OK, Rev will tow you up to the top of Beckton Hill and then we'll bump start you. Hey, don't worry. It's a great idea and it's bound to get you working again.
Are those bales too big for you? We need to move them into Mo's field.
Matt had taken Tom to the top of Beckton Hill.
Now, don't do anything until I've tidied up this tow rope.
Rev thought he'd give Tom a helping hand.
Hey, come back!
Where's Buzz gone? Careful! You can't see where you're going. Oh dear. Maybe we should try some ploughing.
You really have broken down. You'll just have to wait with Wheezy in the barn until we can find out what's wrong with you.
It's no use, Buzz. You just aren't strong enough. What's that? It's coming from the brambles. Look, that poor hen's stuck. Help! Now I'm stuck. It's no good. Go and get Tom.
What's the big rush, little fella? What's wrong? Has something happened to Fee? Tom can't help. He's still broken down. What are you doing? Is there something in the hen house? These wires are from Tom's engine. How did they get here? Never mind. At least we can fix Tom now.
Help! Help! No, Mo. No kisses. And I love you too.
That should do the trick. Hold on, I'll come with you. Follow that tractor.
You are no help at all. And don't you dare kiss me again. Tom! I'm here! Thank you, Tom. I knew you'd help me. And thanks for mending him, Matt.
I had a bit of help from Buzz. But maybe he had something to do with Tom breaking down in the first place. I thought so.
Well, Buzz, we'll have to have a little talk about that later on. But right now, you and Tom have got a whole day's work to do.
I think Buzz asked the hens to take that wire out of Tom's engine and hide it in their house.
Why did he do that?
So he could do all Tom's work and feel really important.
All finished? Well done. That's a whole day's work in 2 hours.
Having a day off has done him the power of good.
No, Tom doesn't like days off.
And we don't like him having days off either.
No, we just can't do without him. Where are you going, Buzz? I've got one more really important job, especially for you.
That evening, as Tom settled down to sleep in the barn, and Fee and Matt had their tea,
I know Buzz was naughty, but are you being fair?
Yes, stopping the sheep from causing trouble is one job that he's just right for.
Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you. We couldn't do it without you.